very useful tool to gather multiple data source and then analysis everything and summarize everything into one pages, so that you can have a very nice and interactive presentation.
I learned a lot from trainer Zan. I learned about how to design the data models, and also how to set up all the data into the Power BI, and how to come up with the report that is very important to visual aids. And the environment, the training environment is very comfortable, and Ramzan is easily approachable, and she helps us to solve a lot of solutions.
From this Power BI course, the trainer share a lot on from the beginner, how a beginner should know on Power BI, until how we apply this all the features from Power BI into how we can apply it into our workplace.